EQ is like a muscle in that you can develop. It's the only element of human personality that you can actually learn and grow and develop. But no different than a muscle. So you can grow your muscle to be stronger. You can grow stronger EQ, but it can also become fatigued.
Yeah.
And so there's this concept known as ego depletion, which basically states that we have this reservoir of mental energy to draw from on a daily basis. And when it's gone, it's gone. And so if you spend a tremendous amount of time leveraging willpower to go through and try and make it through your day, by the time your day is over, you're just a burnt out shell of yourself.
Yeah.
And so when we start, and your ability to then be aware and self-regulate diminishes. And so we started looking at, okay, well, if we can control these environmental factors, if we can basically start building a healthier culture that doesn't tax people as much, when we are asking them to show compassion to their fellow employee by respecting the different behavioral types and practicing emotional intelligence, it's almost disingenuous for us to ask them to do that if we're not creating the type of environment that allows them to do it.